Welcome to our class assembly. This term, we are learning all about ancient Greece.
To help us with the power of time travel, we have the first historian and writer Herodotus.
He journeyed across Greece collecting information about ancient times.
Hello everybody, I'm Herodotus. Ancient Greece is such a fascinating topic. Where to start?
Do you think you could explain to us a little bit about the Olympic Games? We heard they originated in ancient Greece.
We're really interested as our class are named after Olympic sports, and we can't wait for Paris 2024.
Of course, in 440 BC, I published my work by reading at the Olympics, full of blood, passion, and extraordinary athlete feats. The Olympic Games were a big highlight in the ancient Greek calendar for almost 12 centuries. They lasted 5 days and featured running, jumping, and throwing events, plus boxing, wrestling, and chariot races. The games were held in Olympia in honor of Zeus.
I remember learning about Zeus, king of the gods.
Speaking of gods, our class novel this term is called Who Let the Gods Out?
Did somebody say who let the gods out?
It's a funny story about a boy called Elliot, who befriends a constellation Virgo. Together, they release the evil demon Thanatos.
Nothing like that could ever happen in real life.
Did somebody say who let the gods out?
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Where are we? What are we doing here? Don't worry, you're at the Mortal World at Sunnyview School. Why don't you show the children here your talents? They would love to learn more about you.
Ooh, a talent show. We love talent shows at Sunnyview.
Hello, and welcome to Sunnyview Sports and Greek's Got Talent. Let's all give a round of applause to our judges.
Hello everybody, my name is Danny, and today we're going to see who's the best god or goddess in this talent show.
I'm Apollo, and I'll show you how I play my lyre.
I'm Artemis, and I'll show you my archery skills.
Hello, I'm Demeter, and I'm very sure you're going to be impressed with my bountiful harvest.
I'm Demeter, and I'm just here to party.
Holy rock! Yeah. Let's go. Party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. Yeah. And we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. And we gon' make you lose your mind. You just wanna see it. Shake that.
comes another goddess.
Hello, beautiful people. I'm Aphrodite, goddess of love. Well, I hope you like my talent, but are you okay? You like?
Yeah, I'm fine. Don't know what happened there.
Time for the next contestant.
Thank you. I'm Poseidon. I should be king of gods. I rule the seas. Here's a little bit of what I have in my land. That was a blessing performance from Poseidon. Now, who's joining us next?
I'm Athena, goddess of war. Choose me, I'll be back. I know where you live.
I think we found out the winner. Athena!
Wait, I'm Ares, god of war, superior to Athena in every way. You are Athena, no match for my Spartans.
Thanks to Aphrodite for settling without argument. Thanks to you, beauty.
Looks like the judges are still undecided and we have time for one more god.
I'm Hades, god of the underworld. Choose me and I'll change your life forever. Come on.
Thank you, Hades. Now, Sveti, let's welcome back all the contestants.
What is this? Escaping to mortal world without my permission? I'm king of the gods, and I always have been. Ruler of earth, creator of all gods. All of you, get back to Mount Olympus. And you, Hades, to the underworld. I will send my son to sort you out.
Oh, yes, mighty Hercules!
Hercules is a hero. Did you know he completed 12 impossible tasks, including killing a lion and capturing a bull?
Still here? You both, go back to Mount Olympus. And you, Hercules, go to Hades.
I know.
Welcome back. Well, because of this surprise from Zeus, we didn't have a winner. But great effort from all the gods and goddesses.
What a day! My time here is almost up. Would you like to know anything else about ancient Greece before I leave?
It was amazing to see some of the gods and goddesses for real.
They did argue a lot, didn't they?
Yes, just like you mortals, gods have their imperfections. However, ancient Greece was a place of great art, knowledge, and innovation shaped by the gods and goddesses, whose wisdom, courage, and creativity still helps guide us today.
The great myths and tales of heroes and heroines we've been learning about have made us think about the qualities of bravery, courage, determination.
We all have superpowers, if not visible, hidden deep inside us. And we'd like to share a song that inspires us to be true to ourselves.
Boom, wake me from my sleep. Boom, woke me from my dream. Boom, got me on my feet. Boom, think the birds who sing. I'm here to try anything. I'm done with the suffering. It's time to stand up and sing for my life. I'm here now to try it all. I'm ready to take a fall, 'cause I am original. Why deny? Now I will risk my life being typical. I'ma be original. I'ma be original. And I will change myself when they tell me no. I'ma be original. I'ma be original. I won't risk my life being typical. I'ma be original, even when it's difficult. Now I won't change myself when they tell me no. I'ma be original. I'ma be original. Oh.